Welcome, my dear students.
Welcome, my dear
I am
students. I
Arsitas.
will discuss
Provide you some important
the
questions
differentiations,
of properties of
and
determinant.
differentiation is very important
It
for
is
you
given
to the differentiations.
determinant of
A, suppose the
A,
y
B,
equal
C, A square, B square, C square,
x cube
B, C,
plus
C, A, A,
7
B
x square plus 1.
equal to A
Now
minus
you have to
B, B
differentiate.
minus C, C minus A,
Then you have
packet
to differentiate
AB
like this.
plus BC plus
Only
CA.
just you have one
So,
identity.
like these
X
questions, you
power
have to
n
do
upon dx
washing the right sides.
equal to n x
That means
power n minus 1.
at first you have to wash
So
the right
using this
sides.
identity,
After
using
that,
this identity,
you
you
can
have to
solve
differentiate.
so many
So my
questions.
students, if the
So,
question
my
is like
students,
this,
look
dy
here, right side is
dx,
given.
then you have to use this
There are two
identity
questions
7x square
altogether.
plus 1
So, the
upon
given question
dx.
is given
Next,
A B
one
C A
what
square
we
B
should
square C
remember
square
that
B C
when
C
I
A A B.
differentiate the variable,
That means,
then
my dear
power should come
students,
back. Yes. Again,
instead of B,
when constant is
it should
multiplied
be
with
B
the
square.
variable, then
Instead
only
of B
variable
square,
you have to
it should be
differentiate,
B cube.
constant only.
So,
But
according to
if
washing
there
the
is
right
the
sides,
single constant,
I
then
multiply
differentiation is 0.
by
So
C1
my students, when
A,
I differentiate this part,
C2 by
x
B,
cube upon
and
dx
C3 by
plus 7 dx square
C.
upon dx plus
If I multiply
differentiation of 1 upon dx.
according to
So my
questions,
students,
that means
when
C1
I
multiply
differentiate
by
this part,
A,
then I get 3
C2
x
multiply
square
by
plus
B,
this power come
C3
inside
multiply by
7
C.
into 2
Then
x
what will
cube.
happen?
Because the
Since
power
I
should be
multiply,
decreased by 1.
I
Power
also
1 come
divide.
down by. इसमें
So,
3
my
है 1
students,
कम कर दीजिए
in this case is A
1
square B square C
इसमें 2
square
है 1 कम कर
A
दीजिए
cube
1 again.
B cube
And
C cube
differentiations of constant
A
are
B
equal to
C
0.
A B C A B C.
Because it is the
So, my students, my
variable
questions
and
become
the constant.
like
If
this.
any constant
Now,
is like with the variable,
I have
then
to
variable
find,
should
because
differentiate. Constant
here
only.
just multiply
Constant should not
by
differentiate. Only
C,
just you have to differentiate
multiply by A,
variable.
multiply by B.
That is why my dear students,
So, look
you
here,
have to differentiate only
from
one
R3 we can take the
variable,
common
constant only to
ABC.
differentiate.
If
So,
I
you
take
have to
common
differentiate like this,
ABC
3x square.
from the R3,
This is the
then
constant,
I
therefore
get
constant should be the
A square B
x
square C square A cube B cube C
then
cube,
this power comes
and
inside
R3
and
become
power should
1
be 1 minus
1 1.
power should be 1
So, my dear
minus
students,
to come
then I
back
get
side.
these parts,
Again differentiation of constant
but right
term
side is
is
not
zero.
obtained yet.
If constant term is
So,
alone, there
I
is
have to
no
transfer
variable.
or
When you
transpose
differentiate, then you get how much? 0.
or interchange
So you get how
the
much? 14
R1,
x
R2 and R3.
So my
It is the
students,
property
you understand?
that
Next,
if I interchange only one
if I use
times,
this identity like this,
then 1 minus I
y
have to
equal
write.
to
I just
3x
interchange
square plus 1 power 3 upon
R3 and R2.
look at the students. When
Then
you differentiate,
I have
if
to
any
write
questions you
only
show
1
that
minus.
this is the power.
If I interchange
Before
only
it is the
one,
power, then
any row or any
same
column,
numbers you
then
write like this.
I have to
dy
just sign will be the
upon
change.
dx
Again,
equal
one
to
times
b.
I have to change
3x
or I have to
square
interchange
plus 1 power 3 upon 2
any
upon
row or column,
dx.
then I will
Now, my
get
students, you have to differentiate
R1
this part.
interchange
That's
R2.
why you have to do like this.
If I interchange the
3x
R2
square plus
and
1
R1,
power
then
3
I will
upon
get
upon d.
1 1 1 A
is
square B
like
square
this
C square.
because
Again, 1 minus
there should be
would
same,
become
then
from
you
the
can
first.
differentiate.
So,
These two
minus
terms should be
and
equal,
minus,
then you can
it would be the plus.
differentiate. So if it is the x,
So, my
it should
students,
be also x.
so I
Then
get
you can differentiate. So that is
1
why
1
it
1
like
and
this.
it is the right sides
3x
for the
square
first
plus 1.
questions.
Because these two numbers
So,
should
I
be
already
equal
get
power.
the right sides
If
of the
it is
first
the
term.
power, these two terms
Next,
should be
I have to
equal.
find
So
the
you could write like this.
right side from
3x
these
square plus
terms.
1
Since I have to
upon
get the
dx.
right sides from this term,
Okay, my students.
then
Because
I have
when
to
you
get
have
the
these two
maximum
terms, again
term
yes,
0,
again
or
this term also
washing the
yes,
right sides,
is correct, right?
I have to operate it
Okay, these two terms are
C1
same.
minus C2.
Now these two
I have
terms
to
are same.
I can
If
apply the
these
operations
two terms are same,
as
this
C1
one first. And one power should be decreased
C1
from
or
power
C2 or
3
C3,
to
any
minus
numbers
1.
you can operate
You have
it.
to subtract only
If
just
I
one
operate
from
C2,
side.
C2 minus
Say
C1
power 1 minus 1
and
is.
C2
Again,
C3,
when you
C3 minus
differentiate this part,
C1,
then you get
then I will get my dear
3
students
and
Like
this
this.
power come this side into 2x plus 0. Because it is the
1 a
constant,
square a
so
cube
you have to leave here
and the remaining
and it
parts
is the variable. When you
0
differentiate
b
this
square minus
variable,
a square
then these two
b
power
cube minus
come
a
back
cube
and you have to
0
just subtract by
c square
1.
minus
Then
a square
calculated
c cube
x
minus a
and
cube.
differentiation of 1 equal to 0.
So my students,
So my
my
students,
questions become
we are
like
going
this.
to
Now from
any
C2
x square plus
and
1
C3
power.
I can take the
When
common
you take the LCM, then you get
b minus
1
a
upon 2
and
into
c minus a
6x.
respectively.
0 to 6x.
So my
Now
students,
this term can be
if I
5.
expand
Then
the
you get
identity b square
9x,
minus a square
3
and b cube
into
minus a cube,
9x and 3x
then
square
my dear
plus 1
students,
power
I
half.
get
So that is your answer, my
then
dear
I get
students. So
a
in this
square
type of the
and
questions, how
c
to
square minus a
solve?
square
Just this
and c cube minus
power, any power,
a cube.
power 1, 2, 3, 4, no need.
So my students,
Just you have to watch this number.
I get b minus a from the C2 and c minus a from the C3.
Number, same to same number.
So my students,
And same
the
number
questions
to
become
number and down
1
number.
square a cube
Okay, my students. Then you have to do
b
like
minus
this.
a and the remaining parts.
Next question. Suppose I give
Yes, from the second you can also
y
take
equal to
the common c minus a.
7x to power half.
If I
plus
take the
1
common c minus a,
plus 2x plus
then what will happen? C plus a and c square plus a plus a square.
then my dear students, you have to
So my students,
y upon dx equal
our
to
questions become
same to same number
like
is
this.
like this 2x
Now
plus
again,
3 power 7 upon
if I expand or any operated any operations, then I can also get
next, since it is a power,
b minus a, c minus
since it
a,
is a power,
and if I operate it,
denominator 70 power half
if I
plus
operated
2x plus
c2 minus
3 power
c1 or
7
expand
and same to same
for
7
c
x to power half plus
r1,
x
then
plus
I'll get
3
by
and
cross
same to same
multiplications.
numbers you have to write like this.
The remaining numbers
7
will be the
half plus
determinant
2x plus
inside the
3
determinant,
upon
and I will
dx.
get
So my students,
my dear students.
how
So look
to
here,
write, you understand?
the remaining portions become like this. Inside the determinants, b plus a, c plus a,
because there is no power.
and the remaining portions b square plus ab
So
plus c
since
square,
these two terms are same,
and the remaining
so
portions
here,
you have to
and
write
we
as it
need
is.
the x, it should be also x. So
Now my
it is
dear
the
students,
number and these two numbers
if I
are
expand this
same.
determinant,
These two numbers
if I
are same,
expand
so
this determinant,
this power come back and
then I get,
7x
or you
power
can also
half
operate it,
plus 2x
or
plus
you can
3
apply the
power.
operations.
Just subtract by 1,
Then
you
I will get,
6. Subtract 1, then
if I
you get
operated
6.
c1 minus
And
c2,
these numbers
these operations
you
apply
like
in
this.
this.
7
Then I get
and
b
power
minus a,
half
c minus a,
x to power
and the
minus
remaining
1
portions
equal to this.
I have to
Just
write
you have to
as it is.
minus 1 plus 2 and
c1
differentiations of x
b
into
minus c,
1
b square minus
plus
c square plus ab minus ac,
because dx upon dx you get how much 1
c plus
and
a,
differentiations of this
c2
constant term
is as it is because I did not
0. Sorry,
use
it is
any
the
operations
0
on
because it is
c2.
the
So c2 will be the same to same as it is.
Then it becomes
Now my dear
0.
students,
So my students, I think you understand.
from c1
Next.
you can factorize,
7
you can factorize,
x to power half
my dear
plus
students,
2x plus
because
3
a square minus b
power
square
6.
identity you can use.
Now, when
If I
you
use this
do
identity
like this to x
in,
to power 1 minus
then
half, you
b
get
square minus c
half
square
plus
and
2.
a can be common, then b minus
So,
c
it's the, because 1 minus
and
half minus 1
c plus a,
half minus 1 equal to minus half.
c square plus ca plus a square
7
I have to write as it is.
half plus
Now b
2x
minus c you have to take the common from this side.
then 7
If I take the
upon
common b
2
minus c,
when this
then
one on this side,
my
then
dear
you can
students,
write
the
also
questions become
2 over x plus
b minus c
that
and
is
the remaining
minus.
portions you have to write as it is.
So how can you
b
solve
minus
this
c
one?
from the c1,
Just
then I get b minus a, c minus a, b minus c, and the remaining portions you have to write as it is. So my students,
upon dx.
if I expand
So this power comes
from
inside
c1
and
or
that is
r1
according to the process.
or expand the determinant,
Again,
then I will get the right sides.
next question.
So my students, So if I
Suppose y
cross
equal to
or if I expand
plus
for C1,
1 power 9.
then my dear student,
Since it is the power,
I will get
you have to do using the same product. It is called the
C
same
square plus
product.
CA plus A square,
So take
and
3x
the remaining
square
portions
plus 1 power
when I
9
multiply,
upon
then I
the
get
x.
minus BC
Now
minus C
take
square minus CA
3x
minus AB
square
minus
plus
CA
1
minus
power
C square,
9
and
upon the 3x
so my
square
students,
plus 1
CA
into
minus
the
CA plus CA
3x
cancel,
square plus 1
and the remaining
upon
portion
dx.
AS plus C square
So my students, I
minus
can
C square
understand.
also cancel. So I have to
Same to same
cancel
power, you have to write
the
same to same
remaining
power on
parts
the
and
denominator.
remain
This
only
power you have to write on the denominator and same
minus
power
AB
you have to write here.
minus
And
BC
you have to use this
minus CA,
Now this power
and
come back
remaining portions
9
are all
3x
cancel.
square plus 1 power 8.
So my students,
Just
my
one
questions
power you have to subtract.
becomes like
This
this.
number come back side and
Now
just
I have to
add
expand,
one.
or I have
You
to
have to
calculate,
subtract
or
from
I
the
have to
power.
take the minus common.
Again, when this is
If I take the minus common from
3x square
B
upon
minus A,
dx
then I get A minus
plus
B,
differentiation of
and the remaining
coefficient
portions
u.
I have to write as it
So you
is,
get 9
C
3x
minus A
square plus 1 power
and
8
B minus C, and from
this
this
power
side,
then 6x.
from this side I also take the common
This is
minus,
the 0. Now you can
then
multiply
minus
these two terms.
and minus
When
become,
you
it
multiply,
will be the plus,
then you get
and the remaining
54x
portions
x square
I
plus
have to write
1
as it
power
is.
8. And that is the answer.
So my students, the questions,
So I think you understand, my dear
it
students.
is the proof.
If any
So I have to prove
question
the right
is
sides.
for any power,
So my students, like these questions, when you do, just watch the right sides for the questions asked.
then the question
According to the right sides, if you apply the identity or apply the operations, you sure 100% you get the results. So my students, I also provide you some important questions in the next video. This type of the questions are very important and essential for all the students of 12 class. Thank you, my dear students.
3x.
I also provide the next questions.
You have to write
Thank
the
you.
power 2 upon 5. So my students, since it is the power, you have to do using same product d upon dx. Now you have to do like this: 2x power 3 upon 2, 3x power 2 upon 5, and same to same power you have to write the denominator 3 upon 2 plus 3x, and this power you have to write like this: 2x power 3 upon 2 plus 3x, and denominator also dx. So my students, I think you understands. I think you understands. Now same to same numbers you have to write like this. Now this come back side 2 upon 5, and you have to just subtract 1 from the power. That means 2x power 3 upon 2 plus 3x power 2 upon 5 minus 1. Just you have to subtract minus 1 from this side. Now again, when you differentiate dx power 3 upon 2 upon dx plus 3 dx upon dx. So you get this part. Now 2 upon 5 power 2x power 3 upon 2 plus 3x power. Now you subtract, you get this minus 3 upon 2, and differentiation of this part equal to this part on this side 3 upon 2, and 3 upon 2 minus 1. Just need to write minus 1 from the power, and this part 3 into 1, because dx upon dx you get 1. So 2 upon 5, 2x power 3 upon 2 plus 3x power minus 3 upon 2. 2 to cancel. So 3 power x power half plus 3. And my students, and I think you understand, and that is your answer. So how can you differentiate in equation? Just you remember what I can do for you. If any power, if you show that it is a power, then that number you have to write denominator and this number to upside upon dx. And using this, you have to solve, my dear students. Thank you. Have a nice day.